Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Minceetbien Silicone Reline Denture set, whether it's legit or just another gimmick. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and user experiences. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The product is listed on Minceetbien's official site, but that's where the legitimacy starts to fall apart. Trustpilot reviews give the site a 1.2-star rating across over 160 plus complaints, and the stories are troubling. Wrong or missing items, overcharge, and product quality, as well as no customer support. Now, for the final verdict, Minceetbien Silicone Reline Denture set appears to be a scam. The product is not as advertised, customer service is non-existent, and many buyers feel cheated. If you're considering this as a dental solution, don't. Speak with a licensed dentist and avoid throwing your money away on a product that delivers disappointment, not results. Now, thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and always research before you buy, especially when it comes to your health. Drop your experience below if you've tried this product, and don't forget to follow for more honest reviews.